Ooh, secrets are no fun unless you are a part of one.
What's going on, Octane fans? Today, you get to see probably the coolest build we've ever produced in this shop.
The coolest thing so far.
So far. We told you we had something new and special coming for you, and here it is.
Here it is. So my brother has gone and got his wife pregnant. But they asked for something wild to do a gender reveal. So they asked us to build something for them that would be silly, crazy, and just I don't know how you call it. Just
outlandish.
Outlandish. So he likes Jeeps. He does Jeeps as his job. So we're going to build a Jeep. We're not going to tell what color it is because we'll reveal it to them the same time we reveal it to you.
We are going to paint the body the gender color. So if it's a boy, it'll stay blue. If it's a girl, it'll go pink. But you'll just have to figure that out and find that out later. So I guess what we really need to start with is go ahead and trimming the rest of this inside tub out. It's in the way. We're bigger than what these kids are. And we'll need, our foot feet are going to be up here. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Next to the motor. So you got the seat. We've got all that.
What's going underneath?
So right now we're going to figure out how we're going to build this main frame. So we know that we need the frame to come above the rear axle. We're going to mount the rear axle to the frame. It's going to pivot, and I think we're going to put shocks on it. I don't really know. So we're just going to mock it back up, lay it back out, and then brainstorm. That's what we're going to do. tool for that though. $125 degrees.
But what's the opposite of 125?
Negative 125.
Still working on project gender reveal. It is our rat rod on tracks Jeep bodied go-kart. Ran into a few snags along the way. The axle wasn't wide enough and we just can't seem to get the right clutch in. We ordered a few and they're nowhere to be found. So in the midst of all that drama, we're gonna start running around town, finding those parts we need and try to get this thing together. We're kind of at a stopping point.
Look at this bad boy right here. I can't believe that it's come together like this. It's not completely done. I think there's still some more welding to do. They got to add some other parts. He went and got some more parts this morning, everything to finish it. So this thing is awesome. They said I was going to be the first to drive it, so I don't know.
Definitely won't be Kevin.
It's not going to be Kevin. But yeah, this is it.
So here we are. You've now seen the entire build, but haven't seen the finished product. We've added some paint. Don't know what colors, which ones are where. What do y'all think? Boy, girl, girl, boy, boy, girl? I think they're ready to see it.
Let's go.
Girl.